Jr., Chancellor of Troy University, we proudly present the Troy University Sound of the South Marching Band. Under the field command of Drum Majors Jeremy Leach and Kyle Fusco, and directors Ralph Ford, Mark Walker, and Adam Livestock. Tonight, we dedicate our show to a man who has been an avid and staunch supporter of Troy University since his election to the United States Senate in 1996, Senator Jeff Sessions. We're happy to have Senator and Mrs. Sessions with us today. So sit back and relax. Here's the sound.